Good day, and thank you for joining me today, Isaac, as we dive
Yes.
into your very inspiring background that highlights how your life embodies the core value of zeal for service. How to start, could you share a little bit of about your background and what specific work or service do you currently do for the community?
Well, Reese, in it all started back in senior high school, where I chose to serve my student body, where I ran as vice president of student council and in grade 12 ran for president. Here in college naman, I suppose if I were to choose specifically, would be 80th Eng, where I'm batch rep sa MRE. I'm also batch rep under the department, and also siguro being chairman, where we met, being chairman of NSTP. Ayun.
Okay. So, what originally motivated you or inspired you to dedicate your time and energy to this specific cause? And what keeps that passion alive even when things get tough?
Well, sa college specifically, nung first term kasi, it was hard seeing many people struggle. Especially nung enlistment season, mga first years tayo. Pag nakita mo talaga nahihirapan ng mga tao, parang it's hard for me to stay put in that regard. Kaya, af- after looking back on my time in senior high school, I was like, sige, maybe I can try and push pa rin ngayong college. Kaya yun, that's why I tried to become batch rep and everything so that I can continue to help people around me.
Okay. Uh, can you share a specific story or experience from your service where you felt you made a real, tangible difference in someone's life or towards a community?
Towards a community, I suppose I can focus on a community since Emory batch rep. Last enlistment was one of the hardest things I had to experience in college. And I'm sure it's also for us 1 to 5s. It's a hard experience for everyone since new yung Archer sub and everything. New na yun sa akin. Kaya of course, mahirap answer mga questions. Pero every day, every hour, I was there active, trying to help everyone, make sure they get their slots, make sure they get the courses they want, making sure they have no more problems with Archer's Hub, and making sure that by the end of enlistment season, all concerns are okay. Mahirap yun, especially na I have no idea what Archer's Hub is since 1 to 5 lang din ako and I just I had to learn everything about it at the same time as everyone else. Sadya lang, I had to push myself a bit more than everyone else, which was fine naman. Ayun, that's one thing where I think I was able to change or help, especially my batch, Emory, a lot.
And for clarification lang, you're a batch rep of MRE. And
Yes, so
MRE is what program? Like,
so currently I'm batch rep in two things. Pero both for my program manufacturing and robotics engineering. I am batch rep under the department. I'm also batch rep, well, course rep under 80th Eng, which is a subunit of ECG.
mm, okay, okay. So in Lasallian, in the domain of Lasallian values, zeal for service means giving oneself uh, generously and resourcefully for the good of others, especially those in need, as sinabi mo. How do you see this definition reflecting in the way you approach your daily work?
I believe when it comes to making decisions, okay, if I go back to senior high school naman, when it comes to making decisions and stuff, it's always what is the betterment for others. How can I help? What will this decision help the people around me, or will it only help me? Parang ganun. And of course, I always do my best. I always do my best to lean towards the betterment of everyone else. It's a mindset of your choices, knowing that your choices don't only affect yourself, they also affect the people around you. So knowing that, what will you do? Parang ganun siya. I keep that mindset every day of my life. Ganun.
Nakakatuwa naman, parang very clear and defined yung driving force when
Yeah.
sa acts of service mo.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
So, ayun lang. Lastly, last question. What advice or message would you give to us students on how we can start practicing true zeal for service? in our small ways today?
Um, just just do it as they say. Parang ganun. When you feel the need to, when you feel the want to help someone, help someone. When you feel the want to give something, give something. It's a feeling that just comes out biglaan eh. And then suddenly, you continue, you continue, you continue. It's not a thing na parang, I guess for some people, pero for me kasi it wasn't a thing that I was thinking about eh. Biglaan lang siya dumating sa akin. And tinuloy ko lang tinuloy ng tuloy. Parang ganun. That's what I see. When you get that feeling, as they say, you strike the iron while it's hot. Diba? So when you get that feeling to of service, strike that iron. That's what I can say. That's an advice I can give.